Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add expires headers in WordPress. What exactly expires headers means? Means like suppose you are running a website and if you want like CSS images, everything should be in your cache of the browser so that it will speed up your website data. Like suppose I'm surfing any of the website and someone has added the add expires headers in their code in your HTSS, then it will all serve the data from my browser cache and it will reload the data, and the user experience gonna be easy for that. So we are using this technique for optimizing the WordPress. So let's start the tutorial. And there is only one liner code, one big line code of code that we have to write it on your HTSS file, and it will play the role accordingly, right? So let's start the tutorial and add that code. Here, this is the code. Images, like type of JPG, GIF, PNG, web, and video. You need to add this CSS one month, and this is the module that I'm going to add in the HTSS file. So let's move to the HTSS WordPress. Where it is HTSS? This is the HTSS one, and let's open with the text editor, right? If module, I'm going to add this one module, right? And if module expires, so it's already opened and closed. Let's put all this code in that section. Control X and Control V, right? And let's remove this code from here. Let's save it. Right, it's saved now. Let's reload my website. Where it is website, visit website. It says internal error, server misconfiguration. Okay, what misconfiguration that it has occurred? Let's put this. Okay, reload this. So it is coming. Let's go in network section and reload this. This is WordPress, and here expires Wednesday 11 Jan. This timeout keep alive, accept headers, cookies path. So this is a cookies request response. So go to the network. Okay, this is the headers that we are looking for. So here all the expires data and everything information is writing over here. You can check via this adding, and you can check that this the page loading very fast, very speed. Within a second it is loading. So this is just because of this one part. So hope you will understand how to add the expires headers in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.